Hello everyone. Today's topic is a skeletal system. Bone tissue make up about 18% of total human body weight. The skeletal system support and protect the body while giving it shape and form. Osteology means it is a branch of science that deals with the study of skeletal system, their structure and their function. Following are some parts of the skeletal system: bones, joints, cartilage, ligaments. Ligaments means bone to bone connection, tendons with bone to muscles, and it is again divided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Function of bone: it support the body, protection of soft organs, movement due to attached skeletal muscles, then storage of minerals and fats, blood cell formation. The skeleton has 206 bones, and two basic type of bone tissue is compact bone and spongy bone. Compact bone is homogeneous and spongy bone is small needle like piece of bones and many open space. Classification of bones is long bones and short bones and flat bones. Long bones are typically longer than wide, have a shaft with a head at both ends, contain mostly compact bones, example femur and humerus. Short bones generally cube shaped, contain mostly spongy bones, example like carpels and metatarsals. Flat bones means thin and flattened, usually curved, and thin layers of compact bone around a layer of spongy bones. Example: skull, ribs, and sternum. Classification of bones: irregular bones. Then next is irregular bones. They do not fit into the bones classification categories such as vertebra, example vertebra and hip. The two division of skeleton is the axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton forms the longitudinal part of the body and it is divided into three parts: skull, vertebral column, and bony thorax. First of all, a skull is a two set of bones, it's cranium and facial bones. Bones are joined by sutures. Only the mandible is attached by the freely movable joints. Then vertebral column. Vertebra separated by an intervertebral disc. The spine has a normal curvature. Each vertebra is given a name according to its location. Then next is bony thorax. It forms the cage to protect the major organs and made up of three parts: sternum, ribs, and thoracic vertebrae. Second division is appendicular skeleton. In that pectoral girdle means shoulder girdle. It is composed of two bones, clavicle and scapula. Clavicle is a collar bone, and scapula is a shoulder blade. These bones allow the upper limb to have a exceptionally free movement. Then bones of upper limb. The arm is formed by the single bone, that humerus, and the forearm has two bones, that's ulna and radius. And the hand has a carpus, it is located on wrist, metacarpus located on palm, and phalanges is located on fingers. Bones of pelvic girdle are hip bones, and it is composed of three pair of fused bones, that is ilium, ischium, and pubic bones. The total body weight of the upper body rests in the pelvic. That protects the several organs, that is reproductive, urinary, bladder, and parts of large intestine. Bones of lower limb. The thin thigh has a one bone, that is femoris, means thigh bone, and the leg has two bones, that is tibia and fibula. The foot has metatarsals, and phalanges, and joints. Articulation of bones is called as joints, and function of joints is that hold the bone together, allow the mobility, and weight joints are classified into functionally and structurally. There are some illness or disorders or diseases in the skeletal system. First is rickets. It is a bony softening disease that causes severe bowing of the legs, poor growth, and sometimes muscle pain and weakness. It is caused by the lack of vitamin D, not enough calcium in the one's diet, and kidney and liver disease. Second is a arthritis, inflammation, swelling, and redness of the joint. It is caused because cartilage is wearing away and lack of synovial fluid and infection. And the third is osteoporosis. Bone tissue becomes brittle, thin, and spongy. Causes of osteoporosis: hereditary, gender, ethnicity, and a history of broken bones, low body weight. Next is a bone tumor, abnormal growth of cells within the bone that may be non-cancerous or cancerous. Cause of bone tumor is hereditary, radiation, or trauma. Last is an sprain, an injury that happens when a ligament get overly stretched or torn. So this is all about the circulatory system. Thank you.